What's up? It's Kaveen here with another S Hotel room tour. This is my niece Naomi. Let's go. Like one of my most favorite hotel in Montego Bay, and the reason I love it is the crisp, clean smell, right, sis? Smells so clean. So when you first come in, there is a door here, and this door leads to the bathroom. Okay. Into the thing. That's how you turn on the light. Yay! So as you can see, this is one of the more basic rooms. It's not like the romantic type rooms. This is the shower, and this is the mirror. It's a pretty basic bathroom. Just come on out here, sis. Then in the next room, I'm thinking this is a closet. Yeah. Like water, 2 waters, and coffee. Alright, and I'm ironing. So we're gonna close this. The other rooms had the bathtub and stuff. This one really doesn't. But as you can see, we have 2 double beds here because my sister and I are staying here. So we have the 2 double beds. Really cute, right? Love it. And I think this is also the TV here, 50-inch. And one reason we love the S Hotel is because it gives this, you know, authentic Jamaican vibe. So this is the Bob Marley CD player situation, and then they have the beer with the. That's so nice to me. Up here, notice this. Back at it here. But my sister and I's most favorite part of the room is the sea view. Look how pretty that is. Damn. Look how pretty.
That is wow.
That is so pretty. Imagine just.
It's much prettier in person.
Yeah. So we love that about the room, and then we have our little balcony here. Okay. Nene getting a little impatient. I think. It's a sliding door, so you slide the door. And then you have your balcony here, so we can put Nene down here when we feel like getting rid of her. And yeah, I like this room. You like it, sis?
Yeah, I do.
We have a very good view of the beach.
Very nice.
Very, very good view of the beach. Turn it back here. So yeah guys, that is it. That is our room tour. We're gonna do a vlog, so make sure you stay tuned. Say bye, Nene. Say bye. Bye. See you later. Show them the view, sis. So pretty. So pretty. Give auntie kisses. Same button to stop it. I can stop it.